Hi, I'm firefighter Ken Chambers with Leon Valley Fire Department, here to give you our October fire prevention tip number 2 for the month. It is in regards to carbon monoxide poisoning and the use of carbon monoxide detectors. Carbon monoxide detectors come in many shapes and sizes, used in manufacturers' recommended requirements for installation, and a lot of that has to do with heating your homes improperly. Don't use gas stoves or outside grills to heat your home. Keep one of these on hand, keep the batteries fresh, and it'll keep you safe.